Welcome back to Ultra Auto Motorhome. Today, we're taking a close look at a vehicle that blends advanced engineering with first-class comfort in a way only Mercedes-Benz can achieve. The new 2026 Mercedes-Benz Motorhome represents a perfect fusion of technology and luxury, designed for travelers who want to experience the road without sacrificing the refinement of a premium residence. This motorhome is built to transform every journey into an elegant and effortless experience. From the outside, the motorhome presents a sleek and modern appearance that immediately signals sophistication. The front fascia features a bold grille framed by intelligent LED headlights that adapt automatically to road conditions. The aerodynamic body design improves efficiency while giving the vehicle a smooth, flowing silhouette. High-quality paint finishes and chrome accents enhance its upscale presence, making it stand out wherever it travels. The side profile emphasizes both style and practicality. Large panoramic windows provide expansive views and fill the interior with natural light. Integrated storage compartments are seamlessly built into the body, maintaining a clean and uncluttered exterior. Stylish alloy wheels and a refined suspension stance create a balanced look that combines strength with elegance. Subtle exterior lighting adds a refined glow at night, reinforcing the motorhome's premium identity. At the rear, the design continues with sculpted surfaces and slim LED taillights that stretch horizontally, emphasizing width and stability. Functional elements such as access panels and service ports are discreetly hidden, preserving the vehicle's smooth lines. The roof incorporates solar panels that support onboard systems and extend off-grid capabilities, highlighting the motorhome's forward-thinking design. Step inside and the interior immediately feels like a luxury suite on wheels. The cabin is spacious and carefully crafted using premium materials. Soft leather seating, polished wood trims, and brushed metal accents create a warm and sophisticated atmosphere. Ambient lighting runs throughout the space and can be adjusted to match different moods, from bright daytime energy to relaxing evening tones. The main living area is designed for comfort and versatility. Plush reclining seats offer heating, ventilation, and massage functions, allowing passengers to relax completely during long drives. A large, high-definition display integrates seamlessly into custom cabinetry, paired with a premium audio system that delivers rich and immersive sound. The seating layout encourages conversation and relaxation, making it ideal for both entertaining and quiet travel. The kitchen area combines modern design with high functionality. Integrated appliances include an induction cooktop, compact oven, refrigerator, and smart storage solutions that maximize space. Durable countertops resist wear while maintaining a refined appearance. Every cabinet and drawer is engineered for smooth operation, ensuring convenience without compromising aesthetics. Moving to the sleeping quarters, the bedroom offers a peaceful retreat. A spacious bed with a high-quality mattress provides exceptional comfort, supported by soft lighting and sound insulation that promote restful sleep. Generous wardrobe space allows travelers to carry everything they need for extended journeys. Automated window shades offer privacy and precise control over natural light. The bathroom rivals that of a boutique hotel. A walk-in shower with premium fixtures, an elegant sink, and high-end materials create a spa-like environment. Efficient water management systems improve sustainability while maintaining a luxurious experience. Heated flooring adds an extra touch of comfort, especially during colder travel conditions. Performance is a key strength of the 2026 Mercedes-Benz Motorhome. It is powered by an advanced and efficient drivetrain that delivers smooth acceleration and confident highway performance. The engine is engineered to balance power with fuel efficiency, making long-distance travel more economical. The adaptive suspension system absorbs road imperfections, providing a ride that is both stable and exceptionally comfortable. Advanced driver assistance technologies enhance safety and ease of driving. Features such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assistance, collision prevention systems, and 360-degree cameras support the driver in a wide range of conditions. The digital cockpit presents navigation and vehicle information clearly, helping the driver stay focused and confident behind the wheel. Technology extends throughout the living space as well. A centralized smart control system allows occupants to manage lighting, climate, entertainment, and security through an intuitive touchscreen or mobile app. High-speed connectivity ensures reliable internet access, enabling work, streaming, and communication on the move. Voice control adds another layer of convenience, allowing hands-free interaction with key systems. When it comes to pricing, the 2026 Mercedes-Benz Motorhome positions itself firmly in the luxury segment. The estimated starting price is around $650,000, with higher-end custom configurations exceeding $1 million, depending on features and bespoke options. Buyers can personalize materials, layouts, and technology packages to create a motorhome tailored to their preferences. The new 2026 Mercedes-Benz Motorhome stands as a remarkable example of how technology and luxury can coexist seamlessly. It delivers refined design, advanced performance, and exceptional comfort in a single, beautifully engineered package. For travelers seeking a premium experience on every journey, this motorhome offers a sophisticated blend of innovation and elegance that truly elevates life on the road. Thanks for watching Ultra Auto Motorhome, and I'll see you on the next journey.